The ASUS TUF Gaming T500 is designed for gamers and professionals who want a balance of durability, performance, and affordability. ASUS's TUF series has long been associated with military-grade toughness, and the T500 continues that tradition while offering modern hardware that can handle both gaming and productivity tasks. Performance and hardware. At its core, the T500 is powered by Intel's 13th generation processors, ranging from the Core i5-13420H to the more capable Core i7-13620H. These CPUs deliver strong, multi-threaded performance, making them suitable not only for gaming but also for heavy workloads such as video editing, CAD, modeling, and data analysis. Graphics options include NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3050 and the newer RTX 5060 Ti. The RTX 3050 is a decent entry-level GPU, capable of running most modern games at 1080p with medium to high settings. However, the RTX 5060 Ti variant is far more future-proof, offering smoother gameplay at 1440p and even entry-level ray tracing. The desktop supports DDR5 RAM with configurations up to 64GB. This ensures faster data transfer and responsiveness compared to DDR4 systems. Storage is equally impressive, with PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSDs, providing lightning-fast boot times and game loading. A 1TB SSD is standard, but expansion options are available for those who need more space. Design and build quality. True to the TUF branding, the T500 undergoes rigorous durability testing. The chassis is compact yet sturdy, built to withstand long gaming sessions and environmental stress. Unlike flashy, RGB-heavy gaming rigs, the T500 opts for a more understated design. Its matte finish and angular lines give it a rugged, professional look that appeals to gamers who prefer functionality over aesthetics. While it lacks extensive RGB customization, ASUS does include subtle lighting accents for a touch of style. Cooling and noise. Cooling is handled by a well-ventilated design with multiple air intakes and efficient fans. Even under load, the system maintains stable temperatures, preventing thermal throttling. Noise levels are moderate, noticeable during intense gaming but not distracting. ASUS's focus on durability extends to the cooling system, ensuring long-term reliability. Software and extras. The T500 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, offering the latest features and security updates. Some bundles also include Microsoft Office, which adds productivity value for students and professionals. ASUS Armory Crate software allows users to monitor system performance, adjust fan speeds, and customize lighting. This integration makes it easy to optimize the desktop for different scenarios, whether gaming, streaming, or working. Upgradability. One limitation of the T500 is its compact tower design. While RAM and storage upgrades are straightforward, GPU and cooling upgrades are more restricted compared to larger ATX cases. Enthusiasts who enjoy frequent hardware swaps may find this limiting. However, for most users, the included hardware is sufficient for several years of gaming and productivity. Pros and cons table. Verdict. The ASUS TUF Gaming T500 is a dependable desktop that embodies the TUF philosophy: durability, stability, and balanced performance. It's not the flashiest gaming rig, nor the most customizable, but it delivers where it matters: smooth gameplay, reliable multitasking, and a sturdy build that can withstand years of use. For gamers who want a machine that works out of the box without constant tinkering, the T500 is a smart investment. Professionals who need a reliable workstation will also appreciate its stability and performance. If you're aiming for ultra-high settings or 4K gaming, the RTX 3050 variant may fall short, but the RTX 5060 Ti configuration makes the T500 a strong contender in the mid-range market. Overall, ASUS has crafted a desktop that balances practicality with performance, making the TUF Gaming T500 a worthy choice for gamers and creators alike.